Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are having In-N-Out. So I've been craving this for a minute. It's been a little while since I've had it. It's a little out of the way for us, so we can't come and pick it up as easy as we would like. But today is the day. Look at that. Woo, it's dripping. It's dripping all over my steering wheel. These burgers are bomb. And of course, you got the animal fries. You know, I gotta admit, the first time I tried these animal fries, I didn't really like them because of the sauce. But now, I like them because of the sauce. This almost tastes like a Thousand Island dressing or the Big Mac sauce. And I love the Big Mac sauce. It just took a little while to get used to on fries. Got a 7-Up to drink. That burger is really, really good. The thing about these fries, and let me know if you guys agree, is if you don't eat them right away, like in 10 minutes, they get cold, like cold. I don't know if it's because of the oil they use, because I know they do fresh potatoes. They peel these fresh potatoes. Got my wife and my dog here with me. My dog's looking out the window. Maximo, come say hi. Maxie. Wow, he's too busy staring at everybody. Oh, I forgot the jalapenos. Oh, I almost forgot the most important part. These chilies are bomb. Sometimes these chilies can be hot. We used to buy the bottle of these They're like some kind of Italian chili, but sometimes they can pack a kick. Oops. Man, I'm just making a mess all over. Trying to remove this paper off before I eat it. Mmm. Mmm. And I could pop like these like crazy. Cleaning my dashboard. Chili's foot fell on it. That little chili had a packed a punch. Get all that cheese. Mmm. That burger hit the spot today. Really good. Mmm. Mmm. That's actually really, really good today. Might be giving Sonic a run for its money. What do you think of those chilies? Maxie. He's picky. He's picky for the... So he smelled the fry and the cheese, tasted it, and then said, no, thank you. I tell you what, my dog wouldn't make it in the streets. He'd be going through the trashes and, nah, there's no steak in here. Nah, I'm good. I won't eat today. You don't have any shrimp and lobster? I'm good. Cops out here trying to get that quota. We're in a parking lot. Right across from In-N-Out. And it says no In-N-Out. What is it? No In-N-Out parking. So I pull up in this parking lot and there's like two other cars with people eating In-N-Out in there. But this store's not that busy, so we're not taking anybody's parking really. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. That was really good today. Really good. You guys know my favorite burger spot is Sonic. But this one today was really good. What you guys got planned for Halloween? Our kids, we don't have any small kids anymore, so you know how it is when you have small kids. You kind of just go to different neighborhoods and kind of link up with family and friends. I think this year will be the first time that we don't take anybody.
Last year.
Or last year was. No, Junior went.
He went, but we didn't go with him.
Oh, he went. My youngest went, but he went by himself. Or actually, he went with a couple friends. And they went up and down the block. Now he's 14, going on 21. So that may not be too cool for him to do anymore. But one of my twins, he's 18. I think he may get out there for candy. I remember when I was younger, and me and my friends, we were like, nah, we're not going out. We're not going out. And then as soon as it got dark on Halloween, we would throw some cut a sheet out, put some cheesy costume together, black our eyes, just try to look like zombies just to go get candy. We were like 16, 17 years old still. Did you do that?
No, I think I stopped early on.
Because, man, it's free candy, right? But now they're saying all this candy. Have you guys heard that they're saying they're putting poison in candy and lacing it with fentanyl, some candy? I saw that on the news, but I'm like, I've been hearing that stuff since I was a kid. I remember they were saying, certain people don't celebrate Halloween, and that's fine. But every Halloween, it seems like there was always some kind of scare. They're putting... I remember one year they were saying they're going to put, like, needles and razors in the candy, and don't take any, like, open candy. So, of course you don't take, like... I remember going one time, and this lady, she was handing out cookies. Like, homemade cookies. So as soon as we left, as soon as we left and turned the corner, we're, like, throwing those cookies down the block, but... I saw this sheriff they were talking to. He goes, I've been doing this for, and I've been a sheriff for 20-something years. He goes, I've never seen any razors or things like that put in the candy. He goes, but well, the media, sometimes they like to do stuff like that to get everybody hyped, but shoot. I think I might have one of my twins. I think one of my twins will probably try to go out there. We'll see. But my little guy, I bet he'll go last minute with his friend again. Mm-hmm. We'll see. He has one of those blow-up costumes that it looks like an alien's carrying you. Have you guys seen that? It's pretty funny looking. It has, you have to see it. It kind of has like the legs hanging out, and you're like looking like a human, and then the alien behind you. It's inflatable, so it has, you got to blow it up. But it's a pretty funny looking costume. He still has that. He might wear that. But we don't even have much kids on our block, huh?
No, we had a lot come last year.
Did we?
Last year was the first year we gave out candy.
But it dies early.
Mm-hmm. It's all little kids in our neighborhood.
We have a bunch of, like, little kids, like, maybe under what? 10?
If that. They're like 3, 4.
We don't have one of those communities where you have tons of kids out playing. running the streets and all playing in the street. We don't have that. But we'll hand out candy. One of my boys, he decorated the house really cool this year. Every year he tries to add more and more Halloween decorations. So it looks pretty cool. He spent some good money on some of the stuff. So I remember last year's there was a bunch of small kids that came, and he has all these, like werewolves and zombies and grim reapers, and they make noises and stuff when you walk by. And there was some little kids last year. They're all, I'm scared.
Oh.
So we'll see. It's pretty fun though. He likes to do that. But we'll probably just hang out and watch some scary movies. I've been trying to watch scary movies the last few weekends. Have you guys seen that Halloween? What is it? The new one that's out. Have you guys seen that yet? I think I'm gonna go see that. Me and my youngest. But just because, man, I've been watching the Halloween shows forever, and it seems like he never dies, and then he comes back, but it's just like a tradition, right? That only comes out around Halloween. But there's some other scary movies. I heard Smile was pretty good. Have you guys seen Smile? Let me know in the comments. There's a couple others out there like that on Netflix and in Prime. I might check out. But yeah, that's probably what we'll do. So we'll just be chilling, hanging out. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. Thanks for watching. Short video. Just got some in and out. Got my craving fixed, and man, I think I'm gonna try that new Ghost Pepper Whopper next. That thing looks pretty good. I've been hearing some pretty good things about it, so I may do that one next. But thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, and please subscribe. Think about subscribing if you haven't, and we'll see you next time. Take care.